Hi! Today I will show you how to make a key fob cover. First, prepare 2 pieces of leather. Veg-thin leather will work best. Dip the leather in water to make it wet before molding. When the leather is wet enough, take it out and put it in the molding plates. Compress the molding with some C-clamps tight. This will help form the shape of the key cover firmly. When the leather is dry, take the molded piece out. Repeat the same process with the other piece. To dye the leather, use a quality dye and a wool brush. Dip the wool brush inside the dye bottle to prepare to dye. Brush the dye on the leather pieces. Also cut a strap of leather to making the fastening strap later. You should move the brush gently so the dye penetrate the leather evenly. After you've done the dyeing, let the leather dry for at least 8 hours. Okay, the leather is now dried. Apply the color fixative for leather on those 2 pieces. This will help protect the color of the leather. Punch the button holes with special tools. If you do not have the special tools, you can cut the holes with razor blades. This is not an easy task. You need to focus and do the cutting accurately. Cutting the opening of the key fob cover. This will help you inserting the key fob into the cover. Apply gum and sand the edge of the opening. Punch the stitching holes of the cover with chisel and hammer. Apply glue on the stitching area evenly. Don't apply too much, otherwise you'll leave a lot of excess glue. To glue the cover perfectly, put the key fob inside. This will help you glue the cover accurately. Any mistake will make it hard to fix since when it is glued, it will hold firmly. Next, you stitch the cover by hand with the help of a stitching clamp. This is a time-consuming process. Be patient. Cut the excess leather cleanly. Sand the edge to make sure the edge is evenly with smooth curved lines. Apply the edge paint by hand. You need to apply with smooth movements. Smooth movements will make the edge paint look evenly. Now, craft the fastening strap for the key fob cover. Before that, apply the conditioner for both key fob cover and fastening strap. Craft a loop ring and punch holes for the click button and the clip. Install the click button with screw lock. Remember to screw it tightly. Punch the hole on the other end of the fastening strap. It is to fasten the cover. Putting strap through the holes in the loop. Fasten the cover by pushing the other end of the strap on the click button. The key fob cover can be used now. Thank you for watching.